Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the articles of part 2 of Indian Constitution. In my previous video I have discussed about the articles relating to part 1. It is available in our channel. If you have not seen that, you can watch that video. And I have also prepared a video on all the 22 parts of Indian Constitution. So you can watch that also. So coming to this articles of part 2, the articles from 5 to 11 are in part 2 of Indian Constitution. These articles deals with the citizenship. So we will learn these articles with the help of a short story. Let us first see the story. The story is Natasha held a citizenship of the Indian country. She used to always strive for the rights of citizenship for migrated people. Natasha was an Indian origin girl who resided outside India for 2 years. Though she stayed outside India, she never volunteered for acquiring citizenship outside India. She always strived to continue as an Indian citizen and regulated her acts according to the law. Now we will relate the story with the articles of part 2. We'll see the articles and its shortcut now. Article 5. It deals with citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. And the shortcut to remember is take the first sentence from our story. That is, Natasha held a citizenship of Indian country. Just remember the word citizenship so that you can remember Article 5. Article 6. It deals with rights of citizenship of certain person who have migrated to India from Pakistan. And Article 7 deals with rights of citizenship of migrants to Pakistan. So we will remember both these Articles 6 and 7 with the help of a single shortcut. That is, take the second sentence from our story. That is, she used to always strive for the rights of citizenship for migrated people. Remember the words rights of citizenship for migrated people. By this you can remember Article 6 and Article 7. Next one is Article 8. Article 8 deals with rights of Indian origin people who resided outside India. And the shortcut to remember is the next sentence from our story, that is the third sentence. Natasha was an Indian origin girl who resided outside India for 2 years. So just remember the sentences, words Indian origin girl who resided outside India. By through this you can remember the Article 8 very easily. Article 9. It deals with persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens. And the shortcut to remember is, though she stayed outside India, she never volunteered for acquiring citizenship outside India. You remember the words voluntarily acquiring citizenship. If you remember these words, you can remember Article 9 very easily. And Article 10. It deals with continuance of rights of citizenship. And the shortcut is take the next sentence from our story. That is, she always strived to continue as an Indian citizen. Remember the word continue so that you can immediately remember continuance of rights of citizenship. That is Article 10. Article 11. It deals with Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. And the shortcut to remember is she regulated her acts according to the law. Remember the words regulated and law. You can remember the Article 11 easily. That is, Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law.